Welcome back to the Swampfox Optics YouTube channel, guys. Today we are having a little bit of fun at the range. My name's Jorge, as you know. Today we have John. We are running some Beretta 1301s with our Justice 2 optics, the multi-reticle versions on here. And we figured we'd think it's a good idea to take two guys that don't shoot clays to put them head to head and shoot a little and suck a lot.
I'm wearing a shirt.
We're gonna have 3 different challenges for each of us to try our hand at, and we're gonna see who does better overall. So the first challenge is gonna be 5 rounds. We're each gonna get to shoot at 1 clay, and each time we're gonna get 2 rounds to try and hit it. If we hit the clay on the first round, we get 2 points. On the second round in the gun, we get 1 point, and if we miss it completely, 0 points awarded. We'll get 5 tries at that, so it's gonna be a total possible points of 10, a minimum possible points of 0, and we'll see who scores higher, and then we'll head into our next challenge. We had a little bit of warm-up, nothing official, just a couple attempts to try and hit some stuff. So I'm putting 2 rounds in here. Like we talked about, got some 1301s with some Mesa Tactical furniture. Got this little RMR mount, which is pretty sick. So let's get going. Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. Bang, 2 points. Let's go. Didn't even need the second round. Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. 2 for 2! 4 points, sucker! It's gonna be fun. Oh. Shoot ready.
Clay ready?
Oh. Yes, sir! Putting the pressure on. Shoot ready.
Clay ready?
Oh. Bang! Let's go. Sean clear. All right, let's get this swapped. John shoot a couple. He'll probably do just as good as I did. I'm not worried.
Never done this before.
He did just fine in practice. All right, John, make me look bad.
Come on, how can I make you look bad? You got a perfect score.
For now.
Shooter ready?
Play ready.
Pull.
Hey, yo! Freaking death trap of a object here. Play ready.
Pull.
Boom.
Boom. Shooter ready?
Clay ready.
Pull. Shooter ready?
Clay ready.
Pull.
Penis. Dang it. Age old. Oldest trick in the book. Didn't even work. Okay, I promise I won't mess with you this time, John.
All right.
All right. John, I want you to know this is for the tie.
Okay.
So far.
I'm ready. All right, shooter ready.
Play ready.
Pull.
Shoot. It's all right. This next one's gonna be harder.
Damn it.
For me, because you can't throw. All right.
It's because I'm old.
After challenge number 1, we are tied up, 10 for 10. Challenge number 2, we're gonna throw with our hands for each other. 2 targets this time. So if John can throw it well for me, I think I can clinch it up here, but we'll see. All right. I gotta go first too. Bullshit. We're gonna throw 2 clays each time, and we're only gonna get 2 rounds to shoot. So the points are gonna be the same. So if we hit both clays, it'll be 2. If we hit 1 clay, it'll be 1 point. If we hit 0 clays, 0 points awarded. Shooter ready.
Clays ready.
Pull. Oh boy. Let's fucking go. It wasn't even a good throw.
No swing.
Sorry, Dad. Shooter ready.
Clays ready.
Pull. Let's go.
Clays ready.
Pull. 6 for 6. Shooter ready.
Clays ready.
Pull. That just ain't cool, dude. I'm gonna bill him for those clays. All right, for real this time? Shooter ready?
Clay's ready.
Pull.
Damn it.
Pull. Okay, showing clear. Over to John. See, it's the Mango Loco. Not sponsored.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. If you knew how to throw them.
Taking the lead. How was the throw? Sufficient?
Those are terrible throws. What are you talking about? How do you expect anybody to hit that?
Blame it on the thrower, of course.
The worst thing I've ever seen.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull.
The weed widens.
We're not keeping score, right?
That's what they call throwing in the towel.
Yeah, I quit.
Sorry, we still got another challenge
This
left.
job
We could
sucks.
see. It's because your bread is cooler than mine.
When we walk away, I'm cooler, so it's all good. Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull.
Bang. So total lead going into the fourth round of challenge number 2 for John is 20-12.
Dude cheated.
Give me that hawk tour.
Oh man. Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull.
It's not looking good.
It's not looking good. Shooter ready.
Clay's ready?
Pull.
Total score after challenge number 2, 20-14. Taking it right now. Let's see how challenge number 3 goes. We got to make challenge number 3 a little more interesting. We got to oh, John broke his gun. That's nice. Don't throw your stuff, John. All right, we got to make challenge number 3 a little more interesting. Give John a little bit of a chance to make up some points. We're gonna make each hit worth 3 points instead of just 2 or whatever we decided. So a little bit more points on the table. If I miss everything and he hits everything, he can take the lead. And he has also chosen to change his shotgun of choice out. So I think he's blaming it on the equipment, but we'll see if he works any better off of his little 20 gauge instead of the 12. So sounds like John's gonna go first. 5 rounds using the thrower stick thing.
Oh no, you go first.
You're already up there.
All right.
Put some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Challenge number 3, John. What's the confidence level feeling like?
F minus.
All right.
All right, let's do this.
Clay ready?
Pull.
Bang! 3 points on the board for John. Well, technically that puts him at 17 now. Already making them up. Okay, I might have just screwed myself over by making these worth more points. I could have just clinched up a win.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready.
Pull.
Oh, that was a terrible pull. Now,
Okay.
we're gonna give John a redo on that because I threw that one like shit. Okay, we're redoing John's round number 2 because I threw it like crap, but he doesn't think he hit it, so giving him another chance here. Try and make this a little bit better.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready.
Pull.
Boom! Got it. Man, it was the gun. It's just the gun the whole time. All right.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready.
Pull.
What a great throw.
What a great
And a
shot.
bang. Shoot, man. That's 9 points. John is Earned.
Shooter ready?
Clay ready.
Pull.
Oh! Fuck! An opening! An opening! That's a crack. I can exploit that. That's a crack. All right, Clay is ready.
Pull.
Nope. Sorry, terrible throw. Giving John another redo because I did that 100% user malfunction here of the thrower stick.
Shooter ready?
Clay ready.
Pull.
That John just did his challenge number 3. So you had 14 points after round number 2, 9 points for 3 hits in challenge number 3. So that puts you at, what is that, 23 points. So I need to hit 1 to tie it, 2 to take it.
Jumps on you.
Where we're at.
I can't throw it.
1 to tie it, 2 to take it. Let's take down the ship. A little bit of wind. All right. All right, shooter ready.
Blaze ready?
Pull. Oh, he still had it. Okay. I thought I got hung up on the safety too. All right, shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. What the? I can't shoot at that. He's trying to hit the camera. Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. I can't see it. Dang it. I lost it. Oh, okay. That was a good throw though. I should have been able to hit that one. All right, shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. Nope. Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. Nope. Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. The walk of shame. I believe in you, John.
I don't.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull.
That was on me.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. Oh yeah. Tied it. 3 chains.
All
Good
right.
throw, John.
If you hit this, you get your shirt back.
Say what?
I said if you hit this, you get your shirt back.
All right.
Shirt itches.
Shooter ready.
Clay ready?
Pull. Bang! Let's go. Nice shooting. Is this my winnings?
That was just me bowing in shame.
Oh, yeah.
You can have it.
You can kneel if you want. I'm just kidding. All right, John, what do we think? How'd that go?
Well, you're pretty good, and I have a lot of practicing to do.
I don't know. I think it's just luck.
I don't think you missed anything, did you?
I did
my
miss the
bad
first
throw.
shot of the third challenge.
So you missed one shot.
Missed one shot.
I missed several.
Hey, we still out. Had a good time.
Oh, I'm still having fun.
Yeah, 100%.
We should blow something up. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys. Obviously, Doug is vastly superior than I am, so if you have any tips for shooting clays, I'm ready to learn.
Clearly that's not very true. Well, listen, if you guys are looking for optics for just about any gun you have in your safe, check out www.swampfoxoptics.com. Thank you so much for being out here. Thanks, John, for coming out. We had a great time, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.